Now you said you did BC then?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to follow Matt's advice here. I'm going to say T is equal to BC, which equals 0 plus 1. Okay, guys, can you please not talk while doing this? Thank you. Okay, so far so good? Okay, so the vector equation of the line. Can someone be brave and tell me using my information the vector equation of the line, please? Matt, go.
I equals 2, negative 3, 4, plus T, negative 1, 8, plus S.
That's fine. S and T is generally how most people do it, but that's okay. You're special. Okay. You could have chosen different points. I could have done 0, 8, negative 2. I could have done negative 1, 6, 1 to get the same answer. If you're erasing your whole page, don't do that because it's possible. It's possible that you use different direction vectors and it's still fine. Okay. So that is the vector equation of the plane. Now, this question, when you get good at it, should not take a huge amount of time. Okay, I was yelling at people for texting because they were done so quickly. That's good. Okay, I didn't mean to yell at you. That's wonderful if you're done quickly. This should be an efficient process when you get good at it. Okay, okay, can someone else give me the parametric equation of the plane, please? Sorry, Matt, you're out. Somebody else? Yeah, go ahead.
X equals 2 plus T plus S.
Good. I'm going to do an S plus T. That's fine. Okay, good.
Y equals minus 3 2T minus 3S.
Good.
Z would equal 4 minus 3T plus S.
Good. Wonderful. Okay. You should all have something close to that if you did those. You did those? Yes. Okay. Now let's go to the scalar. All right. Can someone be brave, please? Other than my two friends, and let's go to the second or third row for a change here. Can someone from the second or the third row tell me the first step in finding a scalar equation of the plane? Please. Oh, good golly. Please. Thank you. Cross product. Wonderful. Okay. So we're going to say n is going to be s cross t. I is going to be 1, 2, negative 3, 1, 2. Okay, guys, listen up, please. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so this is 2i. Minus 3j, minus 3k, minus 9i, is this right? Someone control this for me? Minus j, minus 2k, is that right? Can you change that though?
That's what I did.
Can I change that or not? I think you can. Okay, any questions here before I go on here? That's my hat. We're good? Lovely. Okay, can I get someone in the back? Oh, the back already answered that one. Second row, you are so silent. Can someone from the second row? Jeff's looking at me angrily because I didn't drink about math. I think he had drink about math. That's okay. Can someone in the second row please be brave and tell me how to find the scalar equation of the plane? I have been given a normal. What else do I do? Go ahead. So it's going to be 7x plus 4y plus 5z plus d equals 0. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. It drives me insane when my back is to you guys and you start talking. This is calculus. This is not grade 9 or gym class, okay? I understand you guys are masters of math. Stay with me here, please. Thank you. Okay, what point are we going to use here? Point A sounds good. So point A should be... Where's point A? Make 2, negative 3, and negative 4. Okay, so it should be 7 times 2 plus 4 times negative 3 plus 5 times 4 plus d equals 0. That's 14 minus 12 plus 20 plus d equals 0. 8 and 14 is d equals negative 22. So I got 7x plus 4y plus 5z minus 22 equals 0. Now, to confirm that this is right, now there will be different, if you used a different direction vector, here's the thing that's frustrating as a teacher, it's not frustrating at all, but if you used a different direction vector, you can still have the same plane, which is weird, okay, right? So if you crossed, let's say, two other direction vectors, you will get a different version of x, y, and z, okay, or you might. Did anyone get something close to that? Not one person, good. 2 people, 3, wonderful, 4 people, well, lovely. As a check, you can sub in a different point, and it should still work out to be the same thing. Okay. Did anyone use different vectors other than the ones that I did on the board? Did you still got the same one? Perfect, then I'm happy. Okay. Joe, did you see what you did wrong there? Okay. Good? All right. I'm going to hit pause. I'm recording this. I'll hit pause and we'll come back. Now, something like this should take you only about 2 or 3 minutes, maybe 5, let's say at the absolute most, when the time gets to your test. Yeah, let's keep going here. Example, what up to 3 or 2? This is 3? Okay, I think I'll only have 2 more examples today. I know everything about princesses. I have a 3-year-old daughter, 4-year-old now.
So I eat an apple, and then Sleeping Beauty, prick your finger, get it up. Yeah, exactly. We were having
Okay, there we go. Now, this is a little bit trickier here, this one, because this is going the opposite way. In this case, I'm giving you the scalar version of the plane, and I want you to give me the vector in the parametric form. Can someone tell me, just as a reminder, in order to go back all the way from a few days ago, what do you need to make a vector equation of a plane? What do you need? 2 direction vectors and a point. It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to easily get the direction vectors out of here. What's another way I can make a plane? 3 non-collinear points. Okay. So what you're going to do for this one is you're going to find 3 points on the plane. Then you're going to make 2 direction vectors, what you want to do. Now here's the difficulty. It's impossible for everyone in the class to the same points, okay? Because literally on a plane there will be an infinite number of points. All right, so I'm going to pick on Nate first. So what Nate's going to do is he is going to give me point A, which is going to be something, something, Z. So Nate, what I would like you to do is pick any 2 numbers for x and y that you want. 0, 0 will work. You guys are so boring. I can't.
1 and 7.
What my redneck football players used to always go 10-4. They used to always. They would always do that. Okay, but 0 and 0 will work.
He usually gives you nice numbers.
We'll use 0 and 0. Okay. So what you'll do? How would I use that to solve for z? Go ahead, please. How would I use that to solve for z? Right? Yeah. So it's going to be 2 times 0 minus 3 times 0 plus z plus 8 equals 0. So z equals negative 8. So my first point, point A, is going to be 0, 0, negative 8. Now again, you can pick whatever sets of points you want. Okay, the unoriginal folks will use for their next point 0, comma y, comma 0, and then x, comma 0, comma 0, and that'll work no problem. Okay, so if you wish to do that, do it. You can find 2 other points. Once you get to 3 points, you can do it. If you want to pick 1, comma 14, you can do that. If you want to put negative 8, comma 3.2, that'll work as well. Okay, right? Just have to make sure, right, that you pick. You know what I'm saying? Like any points that'll work out. Okay. Ready? You know what I'm talking about? Yes. Jeff, you don't look inspired today. I'll tell you a joke that'll make you feel better. Okay. Did I tell the